Welcome to a brief history of physical chemistry. Ever wondered how ice skates are able to smoothly sail across that rough ice rink? Or how different kinds of liquids pass through equal diameters but recording different times? Or simply how certain conditions are able to boil that pot of water? Physical chemistry, as the name implies, is a combination of the sciences physics and chemistry. It is concerned with knowing the physical principles that govern chemical reactions, quantifying these observations to be able to better understand the interplay of different materials. Simply put, it is the branch of the study of chemistry that is highly mathematics-based. But how exactly did this discipline find itself in the curriculums of college students nowadays? What is its story? In the past, dating back to the 17th and 18th centuries, physics and chemistry are two different entities. The brewing of concoctions in the laboratory creating bangs, colors, and different smells are materials not likely to be confused with activities like physical measurements and mathematics. While physicists studied the flow of heat, chemists were trying to organize the periodic table. The laws of thermodynamics soon came into existence, and the periodic table began to assume its modern form that we know of today. But it became clear that the otherwise different fields thought about before were actually very much interrelated. Upon the establishment of the laws of thermodynamics, scientists began to realize that physics is the force that explains the wonders of chemistry. Swiss-Russian chemist German Henry Hess' work in the 1840s is perhaps the breakthrough between the ongoing dispute of the two fields. While he claims to be a chemist and does most of his work in the laboratory, Hess also took particular interest in theoretical investigations. His principle, which we now know as Hess' law, states that reactions are able to absorb or release the same amount of heat, regardless of the path they have taken. Because of this, he is sometimes considered as the founder of heat chemistry, we now today know as thermochemistry. Hess' studies opened up a whole new approach to studying reactions, and in the 1860s, the famous scientist Marcellin Berthelot also decided to consider. He also proposed that reactions spontaneously gave off heat, and those that do not are not spontaneous by nature, and that these reactions occur only in one direction.